Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amito Mitra and I am the host on this channel. You are most welcome to the Amito Mitra family. If it is your first time to watch me, kindly feel at home, feel comfortable, and yeah, feel at home. And for those of you who have watched me from day one, I really appreciate. May God bless you and bless you so much. I don't take you for granted. Hey, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you love my content, and then if possible click on the bell button so that you don't miss the notifications every other time I post. Otherwise, today I'm here with a DIY. It is my very first time doing a DIY, but then I was like, why not? I thought about it and was like, let me do it, let me try it. And yes, today, guess what we are going to do? We are going to turn a knicker into a top. How cool is that? Somebody is already laughing. So that is what we're going to do. We are going to turn my knicker into a top. You guys, we have been in the lockdown and people have run out of money, short of money, and life is just crazy. We all know that. So instead of buying new stuff, we can use what we have to create something better for us. So I was like, why would I buy more tops and yet I have knickers that I don't use that I can transform into a top or into tops? And I was like, why don't I do this when everybody is watching so that somebody out there can also try it out at their home and see whether it works for them. But I know it's going to work for you. If it works for me, it's going to work for you as well. So guys, let's go straight into the video. Catch you later. So guys, I had to first put on this knicker for you guys to see, because somebody will be like, no, she lied to us, it wasn't a knicker, it was a top, that she made a top, it wasn't a knicker. So I was like, no, I have to first show you guys the knicker before I transform it into a top. So this is the knicker, guys. I put on cotton knickers. So this is a cotton knicker, white in color. So yes, this is a knicker we're going to turn into a top. So from today onwards, it's no longer going to be a knicker, it's going to be a top. So let's get into the process immediately. So guys, I'm looking at my knicker for the last time. This is the very last time I'll have a glimpse at my knicker. The next time it's gonna be a top. For starters, you need a pen, then you need a ruler, and then you need a scissor, a pair of scissors. Now we're good to go. So guys, this is it. This is my knicker tan top. This is how it has come out. You show them this. And then this is the behind, the front actually. What are you saying? So it's time for me to dress up. So guys, this is my final look. This is the top. This is the knicker top that I made, and I hope you like it. This is how it looks behind. So guys, I hope you love it and you can try this at home as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed, and then also click the bell button so that you get notified every other time I post. Otherwise, I'm so humble. Thank you so much guys. I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.